Good morning. How are you all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. In case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. You may consider to join our WhatsApp group. Congratulations to the winners. Yeah, I'm just trying to stop the volume here. Yeah. So yesterday our banker strategy really worked, but then we will repeat it again, but today I want to show you most of the winning numbers. Okay, yesterday's strategy we had these two and that two strategy. Only there were two strategy, guys. I hope you did make money with it. Look at here, when you add this number with a 21, when you do minus, remember we have a 13. You see both numbers came? Then when you do minus is a 10, we spoke about this 10 the first thing in the morning. Then we said, okay, minus is a 6, then you add the 10 is 16. So we had the 6 and the 16. So here it is 16. So the strategy of a banker worked really well. Any banker is supposed to choose among these four number calculated. So we see all the numbers came, the meaning that you won, right? Let's move. Now, for today, we're having minus, we're having 28, we're having 27. Remember that yesterday they took our 6 adding 10, but it doesn't mean that you can add a 10. If they add 10, it's 37, but remember, between 37 and 17, we have a 27. So the 27 is a skipping number. They might not add this 10. Now we say this when you add is 22. When you do minus is 2. 2 move of 38, remember? They might not consider to play 2 and they play 38 instead of playing to 28. So those are the numbers. I'm just gonna say, okay, we have a 22, 27. We have either 37, which is optional number. Then we have 20. 38 optional number, right? So now, in the case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share. You can join our WhatsApp group, the winning group, the family group, where we share what we think is right for the day, and also where I share my banker, the chosen one. All right, so now it's time to make money using our usual strategy. So yesterday, our most winning numbers came from this strategy. In the case you are new to the channel, you might not know about it. So please watch with attention. Watch with attention. Join our WhatsApp group, which is 100 Rand to join. However, I have another expensive group, which is a little bit expensive, but it's very beneficial being in my both groups. There is a reason. One group is called family group, another group is called the banker group. You understand the meaning? All right, let's go. So yesterday they took 19, they multiplied by 34 because both of them were the bonus balls of the 8th of March. Then they multiplied again with 49. 49s are the numbers that are in the draw, right? The answer was 3, 1, 65 and 4. So as we finish to say, okay, we have a 31. You focus on the first two number. The answer is 31, then 3, 1. Right? This strategy doesn't bring a repeating number. Now 31 played previously here, then we're gonna spin 31 to 13. Now we have a 3 played previously, we're gonna take 1 or 10. So now the first strategy gave us 10. Now the second strategy gave us 1, meaning that we're confirming that our banker 1 or 10 is a banker. Now let's move. Now you focus on the first two numbers. The second option is to take this number and add them together. Let's see. We have a 9, 13, 18. The answer was 18. 18 was not used. Let's see. 10, 15, 16. Oh, the answer was 19. The 19 came here, then you spin it to 16 because now remember our other banker was either 6 or 16. Now 19, you confirm that 16 is the number of the day. All right, that's how it worked. Now they took these numbers, all of them, they divided by 6 because 6 are the numbers of the main set. All right, so now I hope you wrote and you understand this in case you are new to the channel. Now the answer dividing those numbers gave us 5, 2, 7, and 5. Now, as soon as you see 5 there twice, your next banker or other number is 5. Now, you focus to first 2 number. Only guys, only 2 number. Then you split these 2 number into 2 numbers again is 2 and 5. You can see 2 played on lunch, 5 played and 25 on T. Remember 13 also is sitting there and the 10. So the first 3 number on lunch and they say and the 2 number on T, no 3 number on T are already in here. Then you add all the numbers together with 12, 14, 19. Right? So 19 was here or 16. You can see now we're getting 19 or 16. Right? We're getting 19 or 16 as the most recommended banker of the day. All right, because 19 now appear the third time. Because the first time we got 16, the second time we got 19, the third time we're getting 19. So meaning we have either 16 or 19 as a banker of the day. Because it's now coming. Now we move. Now you can see 5 at 25 and the 2 came on rush. So 3 number on rush, 3 number on T already sorted using this method alone. Now they came, they checked that the first number again, the main number that we take a bonus, multiply by bonus, multiply by 49. Then they divided by 7. 7, where does 7 come from? 7 come from this all number. Then 6 come from only 6 numbers, the main set. All right. So the answer after taking this, multiplying and multiply by 49, the answer divided by 7, we got 4. The answer is 4, 5, 2, 2. Now we got a 2. As soon as you get 2 in your code, your next banker is a 2. Now we have a 2 and a 5 a sure number. Then you have a 16, 19 as a sure number. So now 5 and 16 came. Now let's move. Then you focus on the first 2 number, which is 45. The other number is 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Even 40. Because you can spin. Now you can see that we have a 40 on orange, meaning the 4 numbers dropped on orange, right? Now in this method we have 3 numbers on T. Let's add the number together and see we have a 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Then we have a 13. 13, right? 4 or 40, 10 coming from this method. The number that we were not having are these 2. Then we have a 12 from the first method, 16, 25, and 5. The number that we didn't have are these ones, right? In the method. So 4 number range, 4 number T. Now we move. We're going to do the same thing. The same method is 5 times 13 times 49 is equal to 3185. You focus on the first number. We have a 3, 1, and a 31. This method doesn't repeat the number mostly. 3, 1, we have also 3, 1, then we have also 31. When you add all the numbers together, we have a 12, we have a 17. 17 is the number that repeated, right? It replayed the lunch and tea time, meaning that it's already sorted. Now we have it between a 3, 1, and a 31. Now, 31 already played, between a 3 and a 1 is the number. Then let's move. Then you go ahead, you divide by 6, which is the main set number. We get 530. Right? You focus on the first two numbers. We have 5 and 3. Then we have 35 because it's only one number. This 35. Then we have also 30 in case they spin. So now we have a 30 or 3 and 5. 5 already played as a bonus. That's the problem. Then we leave it. Then we have, even though it's played, then you should just leave it. Then in the method, they don't like to repeat, right? The number which is supposed to play was 45. Let's move. All right, so the main number was 5 and 13 and multiplied by 49. Then they divided by 7, which is equal to 400, 550. Now we have a 45. Luckily, we have a 45. Since 45 is the number missing because of the 5, 15, 25, and 35. Among these three rows from 7, 8, and 9 in March, but 45 is also the last one which appeared there. Then we pick 45, and then 5 is appearing there, meaning 5 can come. So we can type down 5, right? So the first code we got 3117. Remember to spin the number. Then the second method we have we have a 5 as well. Then we have a 45, and we have a 4, right? Even 40. Then when you add all the numbers together, they are giving us 14. Remember to add all the numbers together, it's 14, right? So we already divided. Right? We divided by 7. We have 455. Then we divided by 6 with 530. So which is 35 also, or 35. So meaning that 3, 5, and 30 are the numbers that stand more chance to come with 45, right? So that is the method which was used yesterday, and I hope it's gonna help today as well. There is another method. Remember that we discussed about the bonus ball. Another way you can calculate the code that we're using the bonus ball is take this bonus ball and you multiply by the days of the year. For example, we have 365 days. Then 365 days, if you multiply 34 with this, you're gonna have 12, 4, 10. Then you focus on the first two numbers. You can see 12 here played, right? 41 in here played, right? So now we have the 12 and the 41. That is very simple. We already had the 40 and the 44, which moved over 41, meaning 41 was the missing number. We want this 41 with 33. Now let's go. Now we have, again, we have 19 multiplied by 365. It's gonna be 69, 35. Now we have a 69. As you focus on the first two numbers, you can see we have a 69, right, or 15, right? Then the 15 already played many times. Then you play only on the first ball. We have a 14 and the 16. 14 and 16, 16 came, 14 came as a 41. Sitting here because you focus on the first two numbers. And then if you focus on the last two numbers, we have a 35 there, right? Which is also 35, right? So meaning 5 was the hot. Let's move. For today, we have a 300. Wait. Oh, sorry. Okay, we must first add the numbers together. or adding it together is 15, 20, 23. 23 came yesterday, and we were waiting also for 8, which it didn't show up. So this strategy will give you the repeating numbers. All right. So for today, we have a 13 multiplied by 365, which is equal to 44745. You focus on the first and the last two numbers. We have a 45 and 47. Then you split the number into two numbers. You add also the number. So we have a 47 and the 45. 4 is a problem. Then you add the numbers together is 20. When you add all the numbers together, we have a 20. Let's move. Then we have a 5 multiplied by 365 is equal to 1825. Now 1825, we have the first two number, which is 18. Then we have a 25 as second two number. Then if you want to add the numbers together, we have a 16. Then we have also, let me see, 9, 11, yeah, it's a 16, right? So we have 18, 25, and 45. So if I choose the 14 numbers for you, because some people use yes play, they pair 14 numbers. I don't know, I didn't put the number together. Let's see. We have a 22, 27, 28. Those are 3 numbers. Then you have the fourth number, we're gonna choose 18. The fifth number, 45. The sixth number, we have a 4, right? The 7 and the 8, we have a 3. 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry, my baby. Then we have also, then we have the 2 called 38. Let's add it to 38. 2 called 2 move of, wait, I'm gonna come to check. 2 move of 38, you can add 38 because 2 have been playing without bringing us 38. So 2 move of 38, right? And the other number that is supposed to come was 36. So then we have a 40, 14, 7. Remember also 22 and 21. Thank you. So all the numbers that are 14, they add for the 38 and the 48 because I see the family of 8 is a problem now. Thank you, bye-bye. Because if you check family of 8, we have a 28, 18, and the 8. Then we're missing in the strategy, we don't have a 38 and the 48. And when I go back to the last year, the 48 was hot. So 48 might come. Thank you. If they play 28, remember they'll bring with 11. So you can play 11 and 28 as a pay. Bye-bye.